Today we'll be making the infamous lasagna rolls. We're going to be using all the ingredients that you need to make a traditional lasagna. The difference is we're just going to roll the sheets up when they're done. You're going to grate your cheese, and we'll go ahead and chop down some garlic. Don't forget to clean up after yourselves. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to chop down a whole white onion. Now you want to go ahead and you want to rinse and chop your baby spinach. We're going to go ahead and get that fire going. And it's got to be Kerrygold, always. Now we're going to go ahead and throw that onion and garlic in there till it gets a little bit of color. Throw in your sausage. We went with sweet because the girls don't like the spicy one. And then we went ahead with ground turkey instead of ground beef. And let's get some season going. We're going to do Italian seasoning. Whoops. Oregano leaves. I remembered we're a party of 7, so we threw a little extra in there. Black pepper is a must. Worcestershire sauce, baby. Say it with me. Worcestershire sauce. Chop down the spinach as fine as you can. I did remember it was for the girls. Then we're going to grab some cream cheese, some ricotta cheese. Make sure you get all of that ricotta in there. Here you go, taste tester. Now you want to go ahead with your spinach. Throw an egg in there, some garlic. Adobo. We don't care about your heart condition, Theo. Adobo. Onion powder. Put some gloves on, and let's get to work, baby. Let's mix this up as best as we can. And now let's get to work on our meat sauce, baby. We're gonna use some chicken stock. You don't want a whole lot of chicken stock, but you do want some good marinara in there. I like to throw in a little at a time, kind of stir it in, make sure it gets this consistency, and then you want to throw the rest in there. Now we got Miss Cruz getting our pasta sheets ready. Bay leaf always. Now we'll let this simmer and of course make an ice bath. Rule number 1, never overcook your pasta. You're gonna grab a sandwich bag, you're gonna fill it up with the ricotta cheese that we made. Now we'll lay the lasagna sheets flat. We're gonna put some of that ricotta cheese right on top. We're gonna spread evenly. You're gonna grease a baking pan, put some of that marinara in there, put some of that meat sauce, put some of that cheese on there, and you're gonna roll these up.
Yeah, baby.
And now you're gonna repeat. Of course, the supervisor Gabby is watching. And now, okay, she's asking for the taste test. Approved. You're gonna go ahead and top this off with some more meat sauce, some more marinara sauce. Of course, we're gonna do some mozzarella. And then we're gonna finish off with a little bit of Parmesan on top. We're gonna go ahead and put in the oven at 375 for about a half hour. And here's the result. So you're gonna put a little basil, a little grated Parmesan, and now the taste test.